Hello, greetings from Garbage Car Garage, and today I'm going to introduce you to my new purchase here, like B0 project car. It's Citroen C1, the same as Aygo and 107 Peugeot. Why did I bought this? It's gonna be like a helper car for me to get through the winter, because I have too many projects for my Suzuki here, and now it sits here like peacefully in garage, and I'm gonna be making a lot of updates here, and hopefully we'll speed up this project. But this one is pretty, like, I bought this with no intentions, like I thought it's just a regular Kona box, but it's kinda good car, I don't know. Like now I pretty loved it. It might go faster a little bit, but it's still enough. And that 3-cylinder engine, because this one is a petrol one, so it has like 1 liter petrol naturally aspirated engine. It like sounds pretty good, and I don't know, I love this car for now. So like I already did some modifications or whatever here. So it had a bad muffler, so I replaced it with the new one, like shiny one. Yeah. Also welded a tip here for more sporty looking. And I don't know what I did else. Haven't cleaned it, like it's dirty, but gonna have like a good cleanup in when it gets like warmer here. Lifted up this column of the shifter, also made it a little bit tighter, replaced the shift knob. Change the this one has like a wet autonomous heating, so it's the best car in the winter here in Lithuania. It's programmable, so when I get here in an early morning when it's cold, it's warm here, and originally it was placed here, so not the best location, not so comfortable, so I already put it up here. What else? Of course, underneath put the cone freaking filter, not for the performance but for the sound, because it sounds pretty good. I wish my Suzuki sounded like this one. It's like half of Porsche. 3-cylinder beast. But yeah, everything's fine here. Replaced spark plugs, oil, all the filters, and put the new wheels here for blacked out version. It's gonna be like a BMW Shadow Line style, whatever, but I will show you in the future. I have some little mods planned for this one too, but it's not going to be like a long project. I think I'm get through the winter and make some progress here, and when this one's ready to go out of the garage, this will sell. So I don't want to be as boring as that, so I did one POV video for this little beast, and of course it was in Germany, and whatever. So enjoy that. Jumping into the POV. Okay, so we are in a freaking Germany, and we're gonna try to push this Citroen. Yep. Of course, my speedo is not doing well, and not showing the real stuff. It's a legal disclaimer here. What the hell? Yeah. Technology. Okay, let's go, baby. I like the second gear. It's very long for a petrol engine without a turbo. Going in a slight uphill, so yeah, not much happening now. And also we have a strong wind today. It's kind of sideways. I wish it was like from the back, but yeah, not today. Okay, fifth. Nope. It's too much wind today. We're not going to reach any further. Alright, that's a wrap. So that's it for now, and thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.